Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Prince. So today we have Nifty and Bank Nifty chart opened here. So let us analyze what can happen tomorrow in the market. Okay. So today we have like a very good view, that is if Nifty has like broken 15,000, we will clearly exit all the position. And after that, what happened? Purely the gap filling was there, right? So whenever I told like to take a trade on this particular area, right, above around 15,000, it should be on, the stop loss should be on 15,000. Okay, never miss your stop loss, because if that is the support, I am telling, if the support is broken, right, it breaks very fast. Okay, there is a huge fall in that particular, because many stop losses are getting triggered in that particular area, right? So the market will come down very fast at that area. So don't miss on your stop losses, keep your stop losses, let it hit, accept that, but don't like hold your losing trade. Okay, so now let us analyze what can happen to tomorrow, right? So here if you see, this is the daily chart of Nifty. Okay, so here if you see that Nifty is continuously making higher highs, right? So here it used to make lower lows in this particular area. In this particular area, continuously it made lower lows, right? So now it is continuously making a higher high, right? So just let me figure out some points here. So this is the trend line that lower low is having. Okay, so from here Nifty reversed in this particular candle. Okay, so it went up, took a retracement, right? Again it went up, took a retracement, right? Again it went up. And now if you see here, from here the market fell, right? But if you see, this is the line of support. Okay, so here market took support, this area market took support, right? So all this area market is taking support. So here today also market has given a support here exactly on 14,900. So let us see what can happen tomorrow. Okay, so from this support area, okay, market can again go up. Okay, because see, this is a price action that is being followed. Okay, and there are various other reasons why I am telling, because see here the volume of the buying that is there. Okay, huge volume of buying is there. Here also buyers are present, right? And see the sellers are very less here. Okay, so see the sellers volume very less, right? So whenever the market has fallen, it has given it, like next day it started recovered. So if you see here also the market has fell for one day, and after that immediately market opened and started shooting up, right? So tomorrow my expectation would be like if as seeing the volume, I am saying this is a very weak volume on charts. Okay, so if there is no bad news, market should take a support here and then start moving up. Okay, again. So tomorrow our main focus will be, if see tomorrow don't directly go for buying. Okay, so there are few points I have to discuss, then only just come to a solution. Okay, so here if you see selling side, on the selling side, when market can come to selling anywhere when this trend line is broken. So if this trend line is broken, immediately the market will come to this particular weekly low and take a support here. Okay, that is 14,613. okay, so that is like quite tough right now, because COVID is decreasing every day, and the markets are also like turning it to be in a good trend. Okay, so let us just see few points. So tomorrow what will be the best scenario? Best scenario means I'm talking about high probability and low risk. Okay, that will be if market is opening gap down, you can just short the market. Okay, because if a gap down is there, this particular trend line will be broken and you can just get this target. Okay, that is a sure thing. Next thing, right? So the next thing is very important. Okay, just listen to me carefully. That is we have decided this particular level, right? This green horizontal line which we are having, this particular line, this is our weekly high, right? Last week high. So whenever this weekly high was broken, right, so this was acting as a resistance, right? This was acting as a resistance. So whenever a resistance is broken, like it becomes a support, right? So now it has broken the support, right? It could not hold this area and it has broken it. So according to our price action, here it went up, it has broken the support, right? And immediately when a support is broken, that becomes a resistance, right? So whenever market will be going up now, right? So from here market will be going up, it came down, and now when it goes up, right, it will hit a resistance over here in this particular area, that is 15,000 level. You can clearly see that, right? So in 15,000 level again market will face a resistance. Okay, so don't buy if Nifty is below 15,000. okay, my concept is very clear: buy above 15,000, keep a stop loss on 15,000. okay, and what I mean by buy above 15,000, okay, be very clear about it. First let us understand this particular thing. So here if market is going up, it has came down, right? So here it will take a resistance, right, and then it will start moving up, right, if this resistance is broken. So 15,000 is the best levels to go for long. Okay, so below that don't long it. The next thing, That is what I mean. Above 15,000 you'll buy. Whenever you see just 15,000, don't buy it. Okay, that is not how you enter in a position. That is not how you enter in a position. So just see one in 15 minutes chart, right? Let me go to 15 minutes chart, daily candle. So here if you see in this particular area, this is the area where market gave a rally, right? And this area the profit booking came or anything, and this has broken this particular support and came down, right, in this area. So this particular, see, the more the time it has halted here, that means it is a nice strong support. Okay, so this support is broken, that means it is a resistance now, right? So that view is very clear, right? So the next thing is, whenever we are like breaking this particular area, so this area, right, whenever this particular area we are breaking, then only we'll get a good trade on long upwards. Okay, so next thing is when to enter. Whenever I say like buy above 15,000 or anything, right, just wait for a 15 minutes candle to close. Okay, so go to a 15 minutes time frame, and if I say buy in 15 above 15,000, whenever tomorrow if market is going up, right, let it stay here for 15 minutes. Okay, let a candle get clear, green candle, let a green candle form here. Okay, then only add your long position, otherwise don't do it. Okay, otherwise don't do it. So similarly, if you see here, right, when you can like sell the market here, when the support is broken, see 15 minutes candle, it didn't give a closing below this particular line, right? Here also it didn't give, right? That's why it got sustained. But if you see this candle body is exactly below 15 minutes candle, right? So and you got the fall here. So whenever you are taking an entry on exit, go to 15 minutes time frame and let one 15 minutes complete, like candle gets complete. Okay, otherwise don't trade, otherwise don't take. Okay, so the next thing is on Banknifty, right? So if you see in Banknifty, your view will be a little bit positive, because in Banknifty, our daily in weekly time frame, right, we have seen this particular thing, right? So market has like went up, came down, right, and this is the high, that weekly high was broken, right? And see, market has just came down and took a support over here. So tomorrow it can again move up upside. Okay, so upside I have given the arrow, that means that tomorrow only the 36,000 will not come, be very sure. So market will be going to an uptrend. Okay, so this is my view on Banknifty. Also I have the same view. Now everyone will ask me why Nifty has broken that support, okay, and came down and Banknifty didn't, right? So that is also, the view is very clear. Okay, let me come to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, again, so if you see here, right, in this particular area we had a gap over here, right? This is a daily candle. Okay, so this is our gap, right? So this gap was filled by Banknifty, and the gap completely was filled over here, right? So the next thing is in Nifty, that gap was below the support level, that's why it came down. Okay, this was very clear. Whenever a gap will be there, a gap filling will be continuing. Okay, so here in Nifty, if you see in this particular area, okay, so in this particular area gap was there, market exactly came down and filled the gap, and now it can move upwards. Okay, so Nifty's gap was below the support, that's why it came down to the support to fill that gap. Okay, so there is no issue, like it is not that I would say that Nifty is weak than Banknifty of like breaking this particular area and coming down. This is because of the gap filling theory that happened here. Okay, so our view is very clear. If there is a gap down, then only we can go for selling. Okay, if there is a flat market, don't go for buying. Okay, this is the first time I'm saying don't go for buying, because if the market opens flat, it is below 15,000. Okay, we'll only long it when a 15 minutes candle will close above 15,000. Okay, and 15,000 will be our stop loss. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.